told me. You told me you were ready for the big one, for the big jump. I'd be your last love, everlasting, you and me. That was what you told me. I'm giving you up, I've forgiven it all. You set me free. Yeah, send my love to your new lover. Treat her better. We gotta let go of all of our goals. We both know we ain't kids no more. Send my love to your new lover. Treat her better. We gotta let go of all of our goals. We both know we ain't kids no more. I was too strong, you were trembling. You couldn't handle the hot heat rising. Baby, arms are rising. I was running, you were walking. You couldn't keep up, you were falling down. There's only one way down. I'm giving you up, I've forgiven it all. You set me free. Oh, send my love to your new lover. Treat her back.
Hi, I'm at Blackpool Sands now. Just walking along, and this is the car park, and you've got toilets and changing huts. Oh, no toilets, that's weird. Oh no, it's showers. I was going to say, I thought it was going to be outdoor toilets. No. So it's a lovely beach, it's good for families, Blackpool Sands. And you've got a nice cafe here. And do a lot of water sports apparently as well. This is a really good place. Ah, there are quite a lot of water sports here. Bodyboarding, kayak. No. Oh. That's a good takeaway. Got some good stuff there. Oh, very good. That's a good place to go and get something good takeaway there. Very good. Do some nice coffees and cappuccinos and things. Really good place. And this is a good restaurant as well. They do some really nice breakfast there. Really nice. And this is a good beach for families to families and that. It's quite good. Do some good water sports. This is a nice friendly family beach, this is in Blackpool Sands. You don't know where that is, that's in the South Hams. And they do that restaurant cafe is really good when it's open. They do some really good breakfasts there, and it's they do like Christmas things at Christmas time and New Year's thing. Really good. Lovely. Getting out here. Beautiful. Very quite lovely. It's got the beach, you've got the lovely views. Look, you've got the woods. Really pretty, the South Hams. It's a lot different from Torbay. Torbay's more built up, but got lots of entertainment there and things. Not knocking it or anything, but it's a really nice place, Torbay. And you've got the South Hams. You want to get away from it all, and it's really pretty. So you've got Torbay and South Hams, and it's really pretty. You've got lovely views, and you've got Dartmouth, not very far, and that. So you know, if you ever want to come down on holiday, and if you want a quiet bit of holiday, you know, peace and quiet, just come to the South Hams. But if you want a holiday where you've got children, you want to do more things with the children, go to Torbay, because there's lots of entertainment and things there to do. But if you're an older couple or even a young family and you like to get away from London or from a city, this is really pretty for peace and quiet. And it's so pretty here as well. And there's got a lot of walks here as well, so you've not only got the beach, you've got loads of walks, you know, pretty walks and that, where you can go and enjoy. So you've got the best of both worlds, really. So not only the beaches, you've got the lovely walks. Plus Dartmoor is not far as well. So Dartmoor is it's a nice place, and on Dartmoor you can do wild camping. But if you do wild camping, you make sure you leave no trace. Make sure you have a bin bag, take your rubbish home with you, and take it home with you, and leave no trace whatsoever, so they know that it looks like you've not been there, and it keeps the place nice and tidy. Because you get some people at wild camp who put beer bottles everywhere and cans everywhere, and they don't appreciate, you know, the environment, don't appreciate. But always pick up your rubbish and take it home. Even when you're walking, it doesn't take rocket science to pick up your rubbish, put it in your bag, and find a bin, put it in the bin, and that's it. And one thing I hate as well, what I hate is when people have dogs. I got a dog, and I'm not knocking every dog walker, because there is good and bad there's good and bad with people with dogs. Now I hate it when somebody goes, they pick up the dog poop, that's good, put it in their black little doggy bag, and then what I don't get, they throw it in the edge or leave it on the ground. Why do that? Why bother picking it up if they're going to leave a plastic bag on the floor? Why can't they just take it home? Doesn't hurt to carry it. It's not too heavy. Doesn't hurt to carry it and put it in your bin, or even put it in the nearest bin where you can find it. And what I hate is when you get doggy bags, the bag's there, and then the bin's just there. What's the point? So I know I'm sort of like having a little moan, but you know, it's good to moan sometimes. But sometimes it makes it bad for other dog walkers and that. So, and another thing I hate in the summertime, I'm going to probably put, oh god, here she goes again, loaded. Hate that when people are on the beach with their families, good day out, families, and then they have a nappy, and then they bury it in the sand. What? Why bury nappies, dirty nappies in the sand? Not everybody's like that, but there is some people like that. It really, I really get angry sometimes. I suppose, you know, if you've got any comments down below, just what angers you, you know. But, you know, that's probably what we are. You know, I suppose everybody's not the same, but it doesn't hurt to pick up your litter and put it in the bin. And keep beaches nice and tidy, and respect your beach and places in England. And look at these lovely waves. Look, it's so beautiful. Look, you've got over there. Look at that.